Hey guys, welcome back to our The Gadget Grid. Today we are reviewing the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G smartphone. It is an amazing smartphone with some great features that make it stand out from the rest. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive into the details. Body. The Samsung Galaxy A23 5G is a factory-unlocked Android smartphone with 64 GB of internal storage. It is a part of the A-series cell phone lineup by Samsung. The phone has a beautiful 6.6-inch infinite display screen that enhances your mobile gaming experience with an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. You can watch content in amazing clarity and catch every detail with this phone. The phone comes in black color and has a slim and beautiful design that gets rid of unnecessary bulk. Camera. The phone has a high-resolution camera that captures the finest of details, making it easy to capture every family gathering. The wide lens camera is perfect for taking group selfies, and the advanced portrait mode ups your photo game by automatically focusing on people and blurring the background. The phone also has a front and rear camera. Battery life. The phone has a long-lasting battery that is perfect for all your needs. Whether you're taking a video call on your commute, catching up with your favorite show, or connecting with friends and family, your long-lasting, super fast charging battery has got your back. Performance. The phone has a powerful processor that keeps your day running without hiccups. You can load your favorite apps at impressive speeds for non-stop fun and unlock new levels of gaming with virtually lag-free 5G. The phone has 5G cellular technology and is compatible with all wireless carriers. Privacy and security. The phone comes with Knox security that protects your data. With Private Share, you can set time limits and expiration dates on all shared files, revoke access at any time, and ensure the intended recipient is the only one who can open your files. Expandable storage. The phone comes loaded with 64 GB of internal memory, with room for up to 1 TB more when you add a micro SD card. This means that you can store all your photos, videos, and files without worrying about running out of space. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G is an amazing smartphone that has some great features. It has a beautiful design, a high-resolution camera, long battery life, powerful performance, and expandable storage. It is a perfect smartphone for everyone who wants a reliable and efficient phone with some great features. So, that's it for this review. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. You can also check it, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.